Big doors.
Is this the first time you've been here?
Yes.
Alright then, let me give you the little spiel. This is what we like to call the spiritual car wash, where you can just shake off all the bad vibes before heading inside to the party. Exactly. Perfect. Oh, we're gonna have a wonderful time.
Yes.
That brings us to Go, which is our speakeasy ski lodge SuperFrico merchandise area, which then leads us into our secret red door. Oh, pardon me. So this is our speakeasy.
Oh my God.
So yeah, the vibe is just a little bit different in here than it is in the restaurant.
Love it.
The cocktails are different. It's catered to this experience. You can take shot teas. You can roast your own marshmallows. So I would highly recommend that for a little dessert if you're interested.
yeah.
So now I'm going to take you guys back into the restaurant.
Perfect.
Oh, okay.
This is the ski lodge bar.
It's a little different. There's a lot of doors.
Secret lounge.
Welcome to the restaurant.
This is incredible.
I'm not spending.
Perfect right there for you guys.
Holy fuck. That's cheese.
It's fresh mozzarella.
Holy fuck. What?
We make it table side. But it's $100.
Look at it.
No, it's not. With the conversion and then tax, it'll be $150.
What? It's a bed sheet.
Which I was thinking we would order Teresa if there was 6 of us. 'cause we're
Yeah, with Madison I would have.
Yeah. It's a penguin.
This is like a deep dish. It's thick.
Nice pizza. Cake.
This game all night.
Who's that?
We loved your excitement on all of it. We were watching it. We didn't know what was going on, but we loved it.
Thank you so much.
It's cherries.
like cherries? Oh, here, you guys
Yeah.
have. Oh!